Hola amigos, I am Lorenzo from BroodMinder, and today I cannot resist the temptation to show you the preview of one of the major features that we're implementing this year. It is called QueenMinder, and it is used to track your queen replacement during the spring. That's why I want to show it today, because you're not getting queen replacements all year long. That's what's happening in my apiary right now. And I want to show you this tool that Theo, Hartman, and Amanda have been developing, and I am using it as a beta tester right now, and it's really, really amazing. So let me show you a little bit how it works. So the first thing I will do is take a screen capture so I can write on it. So here I have a specific tab which is called splits, and I have all my colonies. I did a split on the 30th of March. Okay, this one, and that one were splits. I did them the first day, or sorry, I did them the same day, but I didn't make it the same way. This one and that one were started with queen cells, okay, kept queen cells that I found in the hive, and I put it into a nuke. On the other way, that one, and that one were done with open brood. Good. The last one in the list is a swarm that I trapped a few days later on April 8th. Okay, so a different start also. All this process is starting direct from your nodes. When you enter, okay, this is a swarm, the workflow is started. Where is the workflow right now? The workflow is incomplete because we are still replacing the queen, and the queen is at stage 26, right? So this table is summarizing you the status. And now we move at the bottom. You have that legend that is showing you the different queen stages from the egg that was laid before I made the splits up to the stable hive again when you get again new brood, and that's our objective, right? Get brood at a certain moment in the future. Today is this green line here. We see that the future is about here in a few days, in a few weeks. And again, we see that we did not start the colonies all the same way, even if we made them the same day. Where's the process right now? The process right now is into that stage, mated queen. Okay, all my queens should be mated, theoretically. The point is that we have had a few days of bad weather, and I know that maybe they had some troubles in getting mated at that moment of the season. You can see it very clearly here into the foraging. This is foraging index. Okay, index. And so we've had 3, 4, 5 days where they were not able to forage. So the queens, I assume, they are not going to party with bad conditions. But today is a great day. It's a super, super great day. So very good potential candidate for queens to get mated. Hey, Mrs. Queen, are you there? So I assume that today could be a good day. Then there's another 2 days of bad weather, and then next week should do it. So that's giving me a flavor. I know right now where I am. I know where's the target here. I should do an inspection in the meanwhile so that this chart is updated with my the results of my inspection. And yeah, that's most of it. Let's just maybe one last thing. You can compare also with the brood. Take another snapshot. So of course the brood is going down because there's no brood, and I am assuming that at a certain point in the future it will go up. And this is the tool I was using until now. So the sensors inside the hive, measuring the temperature, converting into brood, and tracking the split over time, finding when it starts again. But we were actually crossing a period where you didn't really know what was happening. And right now with QueenMinder, you're more aware of what's going on, and it's also dynamic. So as I was telling you, you do an inspection, you say, hey, I'm still not seeing any capped brood or anything, so we should check again or control a new way to, well, try to save the colony if you're still not seeing what you should be seeing. So we could be talking a lot about this, but for now, first flavor, giving you an overview, and remember, every hive counts.